The progress of science has always been accompanied by ideas that, at first, seemed impossible or far from reality. Yet many of those ideas have today turned into serious scientific projects already in motion. These initiatives, built on years of research and experimentation, aim to solve major human challenges or push the boundaries of knowledge. Technologies that could transform how we interact with the environment, or bold visions that imagine expanding humanity's presence in space, each of these projects is a step toward a very different future. In this video, we're taking a closer look at some of the most important of these scientific efforts. Space Elevator, a bridge to the stars. Imagine traveling to space not by launching rockets, but by simply taking an elevator. The Space Elevator project is based exactly on that idea. The concept involves an ultra-strong, extremely long cable stretching from Earth's surface all the way up to geosynchronous orbit around 36.0 kilometers high, with a transport vehicle moving along the cable. Japan's Obayashi Corporation has announced plans to make this project a reality by the year 2050. Currently, launching a single kilogram into space costs between $10,000 to $20,000, but a space elevator could reduce that cost by up to 90%. Using incredibly strong materials like carbon nanotubes or graphene is vital to building such a cable. If successful, this project could revolutionize the way we send equipment, satellites, and even people into space. Climate engineering, human control of the weather. With global warming and growing environmental crises, scientists are exploring ways to control and even alter weather conditions. One of the most advanced projects in this area is called SCOPEX, led by Harvard University. The goal is to release fine sulfate particles into the upper atmosphere, the stratosphere, to reflect more sunlight and reduce Earth's temperature. Initial tests are underway to study the effects of this method on the climate. However, the project is not without environmental and ethical concerns. Changing the weather could lead to shifts in rainfall patterns or trigger droughts in certain regions. Financially, the project is still in the testing phase, and its exact cost isn't known yet, but if it succeeds, we could see massive investments in this field. The Event Horizon Telescope, capturing a black hole's shadow. For the first time in history, in 2019, a real image of a black hole was released. This achievement was made possible through the global collaboration of scientists in the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) project, a network of radio telescopes all around the world linked together. This project is still ongoing, with the goal of capturing clearer images, observing other black holes, and studying complex cosmic structures. EHT is recognized as one of the greatest scientific achievements in space physics. The data it's producing could fundamentally change our understanding of gravity, space-time, and the behavior of massive celestial objects. The project has cost around $100 million so far and has already sparked a major transformation in astrophysics research. The Immortality Project, stopping aging. Can humanity achieve immortality? Projects like Calico, backed by Google, are seeking answers to that very question. Scientists involved in this initiative are studying the biological processes of aging with the goal of extending human life and possibly even stopping or reversing aging altogether. Early tests on animals have shown promising results, and billions of dollars have already been invested in this research. Scientists are examining genetic structures, stem cells, and environmental factors that affect lifespan. Some studies are focused on DNA repair therapies and drugs that slow or halt cellular aging processes. If this project succeeds, it could revolutionize medicine and greatly improve human quality of life. Unlimited energy, nuclear fusion. The ITER project, short for the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, is a massive, complex scientific project aiming to build the world's first commercial fusion reactor. Based in France, ITER is one of the most advanced efforts to generate energy from nuclear fusion. The reactor is specifically designed to replicate the fusion process that powers the sun, where the nuclei of light atoms like hydrogen merge together, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Scientists at ITER are trying to control this process in a lab to create a clean and sustainable energy source for the future. The project involves collaboration between several major countries, including the European Union, the United States, Russia, China, India, Japan, and South Korea. Although commercialization of this technology is still years away, ITER represents a huge leap toward using fusion as the world's energy source. It's predicted that fusion energy could meet global energy needs for centuries to come. The Lunar Elevator. Easy trips to the moon. If a space elevator to Earth's orbit isn't enough, scientists are also working on a lunar elevator. The idea is to build a cable between the moon and a specific point in Earth's orbit, dramatically reducing the cost and difficulty of lunar missions. Researchers at Columbia University are studying this project, and they've proposed using ultra-lightweight, super-strong materials like graphene for the cable. This elevator could make it easier to transport construction equipment, resources, and even human habitats to the moon. If successful, it could mark the beginning of long-term lunar colonization and expand our space exploration efforts even further. These strange and awe-inspiring projects reflect the courage and creativity of humankind in exploring the unknown and tackling big challenges. If any of these ideas come to life, they won't just transform the way we live, they'll take our understanding of the universe to a whole new level. Which one of these projects do you find most exciting? Leave your thoughts in the comments.